Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to tell you how I create a article title. So I have prepared a list of keywords that I have listed in the previous video, so you know how I go around and pick the keywords using keyword research tools. And now I decided to go for Shopify SEO as a keyword. I narrowed it down to 3 keywords. There was e-commerce SEO, Shopify SEO, and I believe there was SEO guide. But because this article was created for Shopify users, I was using only Shopify dashboard when creating videos and obviously doing step-by-step tutorials. So it's a little bit more, more narrow than e-commerce SEO. So it will give me an extra edge in the search results. And now I'm going through Google. I type in Google Shopify SEO and see how other competitors, how do they write their titles, what other phrases are they using, and I'm just nitpicking, I'm just saving single phrases that they're using, and I am constructing the ultimate title. When it comes to the phrases that I'm using, that I am borrowing from their titles, I'm looking for phrases such as complete guide or guide for beginners or complete tutorial or bookmark this guide. So something that catches the eye, something that makes people want to stop and click this link. So obviously this kind of click-worthy words, and I'm saving them as the idea, and I'm slowly constructing the article title, which hopefully should be done by the end of today. And I will definitely create another video once I decide which title to add, and obviously when I will start optimizing the article with the keywords, I'll also create new video. All right, bye bye.